Here's a fact that sounds scary, but that I am going to turn into good news by the end of this video. Starting somewhere in your 30s, you begin slowly losing muscle mass and strength. And if you do nothing about it, that loss accelerates with every passing decade. But here is the part that matters. This is one of the most controllable parts of aging there is, and today I'm going to show you exactly what actually works, what doesn't, and where the cellular science fits in. Let me start by naming what we are talking about. The age-related loss of muscle mass and strength has a medical name, sarcopenia. On average, adults start losing strength at a rate of roughly 1% per year beginning in the fourth decade of life, and that rate speeds up as the decades pass. By age 70, a meaningful percentage of adults have functionally significant muscle loss, and it climbs further after 80. This matters far beyond appearance. Muscle is what keeps you strong, mobile, and independent as you age. It protects you against falls, and it plays a big role in your metabolism and blood sugar control. So why does it happen? The causes are layered, but a major one connects directly to what we talk about on this channel. Deep inside your muscle fibers are large numbers of mitochondria, the tiny power plants that supply the energy your muscles run on. As you age, research shows these mitochondria tend to become less efficient, more fragmented, and fewer in number. Since muscle is one of the most energy-hungry tissues in your body, that decline in cellular energy is part of what makes muscle harder to build and maintain over time. So this is genuinely, in part, a mitochondrial story. Now here's where I have to correct something you will often hear, including in a lot of viral content. You will see claims that protein does not matter, or that some supplement is the secret to saving your muscle. That is simply wrong, and it points people in exactly the wrong direction. So let me tell you what the evidence actually supports, clearly. The single most powerful thing you can do to protect and rebuild muscle at any age is resistance training. That means challenging your muscles against resistance, whether that's weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. The research here is not subtle. Resistance training is a well-established intervention that can prevent, slow, and even partially reverse sarcopenia. In one striking study, 6 months of resistance training in older adults partially reversed the physical signs of muscle aging, and at the genetic level, it shifted their muscles profile back toward that of younger people. And remember those struggling mitochondria? Resistance training improves them too, driving mitochondrial health in the muscle through a master pathway called PGC1-alpha. So exercise fixes both the muscle and its engines at the same time. The second pillar is protein. As you age, your body becomes a little less efficient at turning the protein you eat into muscle, which means adequate protein becomes more important, not less. Research supports getting enough high-quality protein, and spreading it across your meals rather than loading it all at once. Protein provides the raw materials, and resistance training provides the signal to use them. Together, they are the proven foundation of keeping your muscle as you age. Anyone telling you that a pill replaces this is not being straight with you. A few other things help round it out. Staying generally active, getting enough vitamin D if you are low, and eating well overall all support the picture. But strength training and protein are the two big rocks. So, honestly, where does a supplement like Mitochondrial fit into a muscle conversation? In a modest, supporting role, and I want to be precise about it. Because mitochondrial health is genuinely part of the muscle aging story, supporting your mitochondria is relevant. Mitochondrial's CoQ10 plays a role in how your cells generate energy, and its PQQ has been researched for supporting mitochondrial biogenesis, working through that very same PGC1-alpha pathway your strength training activates. So there's a real, logical connection. But I am going to hold the line on honesty here, because it matters. Mitochondrial doesn't stop muscle loss. It doesn't build muscle. It cannot replace lifting weights or eating enough protein, and I would never want an older person to skip the things that genuinely work because they thought a supplement had it covered. The training and the protein do the heavy lifting. Mitochondrial is, at most, a small complementary piece that supports the cellular energy side. So take the good news from this. Muscle loss with age is real, but it's one of the most reversible parts of aging you have. Pick up something heavy a few times a week, eat your protein, and you are directly fighting back, at both the muscle and the mitochondrial level. Lift something heavy, eat your protein, and support the engines inside your muscle. Check the link in the description below to learn more about supporting your cellular energy with Mitochondrial. And if this gave you a reason to start strength training, hit subscribe. Every week we break down the real cellular science of healthy aging in plain language you can actually use. We post every morning. I want to be fully transparent with you. The link in the description below is an affiliate link. I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely think is helpful. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle.